Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use TinyTask. As you can see, there are open, save, record, play, .exe and preferences. There are a lot kind of functions here. So what functions do? Basically TinyTask is doing an automation process that you recorded in TinyTask. As I'm showing you an example, when we turn on our computer, we need to do a lot of time refresh. So it's quite sometimes boring, but if you do refresh when you open the computer, it will help to boost up your computer. So if I just use TinyTask to do this process whenever I turn on my computer automatically, then what you have to do, you just need to record, click on the record, and now if you just do refresh one time and simply click record done and simply now click on play, as you can see, it's refreshed, but it's happened so fast because in preferences I made it into 100x. But if I take the speed as 1x and play it right now, as you can see, my cursor is moving automatically and it's refreshing. But you can do it a very good way to do this loop or play this loop 2 or 3 times. Like as you can see, if I just set the play loops as 3 times, and click OK and play right now, as you can see, it will going to refresh one time and going to do this for the second time and going to do it for the third time. It's completely automatically doing, right? So you can do it a little bit faster if I just make it as a 2x, and now if I just play, as you can see, now it's doing a little bit faster. It will happen 3 times very fast. So now we're going to make it as 8x faster. You can also set a custom speed, like if you just wanted to make it lean to 10x and going to click OK and simply play, as you can see, it will play 10x faster this time. As you can see, so these are the settings of the playing speed. And there is another setting called set play loop. I set it into 3 times. It will going to loop it for the 3 times. You can set whatever you need. So this all doing by the settings. And now we're going to know you how you can save it. If I just want to save it, I can simply click it exe file. I'm going to give the file name as refresh, click and save it into desktop and click save. As you can see here is the refresh is showing. So if I just click on it, as you can see, it's now refreshing 3 times. And you can also save it, like if you want to save the file, like I'm doing it like here. If I want to save it into my desktop, save, and as you can see, the exe is right now saving. Going for open, I'm going to find out which systems I record. So we all now know the settings that what TinyTask do. If I just close it, and now if I just click on the refresh, as you can see, the cursor is moving by its way and it's refreshing 3 times when I start my computer. It's a very useful app. You must have to use it, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.